Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to learn about dividing. Dividing is about putting numbers in equal groups. Here we're dividing 27 by 2. Imagine 27 kids being divided into 2 teams. We're going to use our base 10 blocks. These are rods and units. There are 10 units in every rod, and of course there are 10 rods in a flat, which I don't have here. So we have 10, 20, and there's our 7. So we just divide them. 1 for you, 1 for you, and so forth. 3 each, and we have 1 left over, and this is called our remainder. So 27 divided by 2 is 13, remainder 1. Okay, now we're going to divide 76 by 3. Imagine 76 kids being put on 3 teams. How many per team? So again, we're going to start with 7 rods. This gives us our 70, and then 6 units for a total of 76. So we have to think about this 3. We want to put them in 3 groups. So we take our rods and we'll put them in 3 groups. I notice right away that I can put at least 2 rods in each group. So there you got your 3 teams there. And then we've got another rod here. And this can't be divided. But just like a dime can be exchanged for 10 pennies, we are going to exchange this rod for 10 cubes. So now we have our 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 6 cubes. That gives us our 76, and we're going to exchange this rod for 10 units. It's the same amount. So now we're going to take the remaining units and we'll divide these. I know I can put 2 with each group right away. They can each get 1 more. And I notice that I have 1 left, so that will be my remainder. So now to determine how many are in each group, we just have to count. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 25 per team with 1 additional remainder. So the answer is 25, remainder 1. 75 divided by 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rods is 70. And there's our 5. And we're going to put this in 6 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to exchange this again for 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we'll add it to the 5 that we already have. So we're going to split these 15 in groups. And I know that each is going to get 2. So 2, 4, 6, just to speed things up. 2 for you, 2 for you, and 2 for you. Now I notice that I do not have enough to give every other group 1. So this is going to be my remainder because I don't have enough to share. So what is 75 divided by 6? We just have to count 1 group for the answer. It's 12. Remainder 3. There are 12 in each group with a remainder of 3. Okay, our final example, we're going to divide 68 by 4. Okay, so we start with 6 rods. Mek, Yergu, Yarek, Chors, Hink, Vets. And then we have 8 units. Mek, Yergu, Yarek, Chors, Hink, Vets, Yota, and Uta. So there we got 68. So we put them in 4 groups. There's group 1, 2, group 3, and group 4. All right? And I notice that these 2 rods, we're going to have to exchange them. 2 rods is worth 20. So I'm going to substitute these 2 rods with 20 units. And I'm going to add those 20 units to the 8 we already have for a total of 28. Now, of course, if you're thinking 4 into 28, you can think each group is going to get 7. Let's see if that is the case. 1 for you, 2, 3, 4, and of course I can give a couple more at each group I know I can afford. 2, 2 for you, and 2 for you, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Getting there. 2 more. 2 more, 2 more, and last but not least, 2 for you. So what is 68 divided by 4? Again, we just have to count 1 group to find out. A rod of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Let's see if there's 17 in this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.